G'day YouTube, Quacker John here. Today we are comparing the 21-inch bullnose Delkevic exhaust with the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust for the Vulcan S. Allen in Michigan, USA had the 21-inch bullnose Delkevic exhaust on his 2019 Vulcan S. He's just installed the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust on his bike. And here is a video comparison of the two exhausts. First, the 21-inch 550mm bullnose Delkevic exhaust.
This is 2019 Vulcan S with a 21-inch 550mm Delkevic exhaust.
And now the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust.
This is my 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S, now with the Musarri exhaust. Pretty clean looking actually. Pardon for the shade and the shadows, but the sun is where it is. I'll start it for you now. It does have a different sound from the Delkevic. That was 4,000 RPMs. Lots of ground clearance. It's tucked up underneath. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe to the channel. The Quacker John Vulcan S show is on every Friday night at 10 PM Brisbane, Australia time. You are most welcome to join in. You are most welcome to join the Quacker John chat room, and the link for your invitation to join the chat room is in the comments under the video. I have published a book called My Kawasaki Vulcan SE Adventures, and it is available on the Amazon website. See ya!